Hello all, hope you all are safe and fine. After a long wait or after a long time I'm going to upload one video for you. So this is regarding your competitive exam. So I'll be talking about myself. So I have completed my BE in biotechnology from New Horizon College of Engineering, Bangalore, and currently pursuing research at CSIR NCL Pune, one of the premier institute in doing research. Always believe in yourself and anything is possible. Why I'm telling this? Because for this long time I was preparing to get into a premier institute. It was not easy but possible with your hard work and smart work put together. It should go in sync. Okay, smart work shouldn't be more than hard work. It should go in sync equally. I have qualified GATE as well as DBT BITP. It is biotechnology industrial training program, which will basically convert it into job. So this is very good opportunity. You can utilize it if you are not going to pursue higher studies. So I have qualified GATE. From GATE, I got shortlisted for 3 interviews and cracked 2 of those. So I am here to help you. Need any help, do not hesitate about competitive exam, strategy to prepare, syllabus, how to prepare, how to crack the exam, how to crack the interview. So if you are fresh, if you don't know anything, okay, if you want to start from scratch, I am there to help you. I'll be guiding, so if you want, for biotechnology students and life science students. Today I'll be talking about various competitive exams for biotechnology students and life science students. So these are the various exams. Majorly I'll be talking about GATE exam. So we'll start with GATE exam, which is conducted only once in a year in the month of February. Next you have DBT Junior Research Fellowship, conducted only once in a year in the month of April and May, which is not fixed due to COVID. It might change, but for GATE exam it is fixed most probably. Your DBT JRF, like it is more specific to biotechnology students, and life science students can also give an attempt. So it will be highly specific or subject oriented itself. CSIR net again, mainly for life science students, and biotechnology students can also attend, which is conducted twice in a year. Last year it was conducted only once. So your examination will be in the month of June and December. Again, this will change, or this might change. Next is JAM exam, conducted only once in a year in the month of February. Make sure JAM exam is only for MSc. Okay, MSc or MSc PhD integrated thing. This is not for MTech students, or not for MTech students. Like you cannot get admission for MTech. Only MSc and integrated MSc PhD. Next is ICMR Junior Research Fellowship, again conducted only once in a year in the month of August. So I'll be telling you in detail about GATE exam. If you want more about DBT JRF, CSIR net, you can visit website, or you can put in comments. So I'll make another video separately for this. So we'll focus on GATE exam now. Okay, so GATE is Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. This year, in the year 2021, this was conducted by IIT Bombay. Every year this keep on changing. Next year it is going to conducted by IIT Kharagpur, and every year there will be addition of papers. So this year 2 additional papers to GATE 2022. Again, what is this? It's the Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. This will basically primarily test the comprehensive understanding of your UG. Basically it will depend on your UG subject. You know, undergraduate, in the first sem you have common subject like maths, chemistry, physics, and English. Your grammar thing, verbal thing, aptitude, this plays a very important role. So through GATE you can get into master's program, and you can also get into some public sector companies through GATE scope. Now they have made mandatory, or to enter into public sector companies you need GATE scope. Again, this year it is conducted by IIT Kharagpur, and there are 6 other IITs, like you can get into IIT Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Chennai, Roorkee, IISc. This is conducted by the Department of Higher Education, that is Ministry of Education, MOE. Once you get into MTech or ME, or nowadays direct PhD is available, kind of trending kind of thing. So you'll get stipend for this from Ministry of Education. Again, So this is the website for GATE 2020. It's the official website. I'll put it in the description box, no need to worry. Again, for next year, February 2022 exam, your application will start in this month end, August 30, 2021. So I'll also notify you regarding the application form, and from here you can also get your previous year question paper. Previous year question paper is very important. At least try to solve 3 to 4 previous year question papers, so you'll get, for sure you'll get similar questions, because this year when I wrote your bioinformatics and microbiology and immunotechnology, so your questions were quite similar. More than similar, it was same, almost a kind of same. Again, you can also inquire about your exam cities over here where you want to write, and many other things like contact, your FAQs, and about registration. You'll get it over here. Again, this is the template or your notice released by IIT Kharagpur. I'll also provide you the link about this. So this is the thing, like GATE 2022 score or any GATE score, it is valid for 3 years from the date of announcement of results. And again, I have told GATE score is also used by public sector unit for their recruitment, and these are the basic eligibility. You can check it out, no issues. And again, here a candidate who is also pursuing, like currently studying in third, like final year. In engineering we have 4 years, so final year can also apply. So he can provide a certificate from the head of department that he is pursuing in the final year, and he can apply for GATE. For passed out students, only your provisional degree certificate or your degree certificate is enough to apply. So here you can, like, which and all approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science and commerce and arts can apply. Next, these are the subjects. This is very essential. GATE 2022 papers and syllabus. Now it is 29 papers. Majorly will be focusing on BT biotechnology and life science Excel. Okay, so there is one more good option, is like if you want to attend both of this, so there are combination of list given by, like, biotechnology student can write life science in one day. Okay, in the same day you can write, so they'll decide you morning or afternoon shift based on that. So your application form will be one, your fees will be twice, but in that same application form you need to mention like biotechnology, life science, like that. So there is a set of combination, and biomedical students can also write biotechnology papers. So there is a set of rules in that. So while you click 2 paper combination list in the website, you will get it. So in the next slide I'll show you this. Yeah, this is the combination of 2 papers. So code of primary paper is BT. So your BM and Excel can write. What is BM and Excel? Your BM is, yes, biomedical engineering is your BM, and your Excel is life science. Students can write it. Okay, so that there are different combination you can write on the same day. So you need to be sure like which and all papers you'll be writing. I think 2 papers is allowed. Next, about the fees, which is very important. Female candidates, they have like 750 in the regular period, like from the date of opening till the last date. When it is extension will be there, so it will be, your fee will be high. For SC, ST and PWD, your person with disability, it is again 750 and 1250 on extension. All other candidates like OBC, your BC, your general economic weaker section will be 1500 for regular and 2000 during your extension period. So this was all about your GATE. So if you want more details from me, like how to prepare for GATE, what and all syllabus, or you want to know about my strategy, how I prepare, so definitely I'll share. So again, it is easy. So if I want to tell, if you want to start from the scratch, 3 to 3.5 months is far more enough in order to crack the exam. But you need to be serious. You need to know what is your aim, whether you want to do higher studies or you want to do job. So that needs to be clear from you. You just, okay, and if you like the video, please share, like, and do comment. Your comment is like very much, it